Hello everyone. Today in this video we will discuss how to show or hide content on lock screen on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings, app 9 setting. Scroll down and click on notifications. After click on notifications, click on lock screen. After click on lock screen, you will see select icons, dot and cards. After select cards, so here showing you show content and hide content. If you want to show content, click on show content. If you want to set hide content, click on hide content. So you will select show or hide content from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can show or hide notification content on lock screen on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.